say good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, Sissy.
Hi.
Say good morning.
Good morning, sis. Good morning, Lamb.
Good morning, guys. It is about a little after 9. The kids let me sleep in this morning, so that was refreshing. But we're sitting down to eat breakfast really quick, and then I'm gonna relax for just a little bit, try and get some coffee in me, and then I will start on my day. So first I'm just gonna start off by unloading the dishwasher and then loading it back up and getting the sink all cleaned out. As I was editing this, I was cracking up. Brystal loves to help me, and she is just so cute. This is always my favorite part of any cleaning video. Watching somebody clean out their sink is just so satisfying, and honestly, it motivates me to keep going. I'm using the Method Mint glass cleaner to clean all my appliances. I normally don't do this. I usually use a stainless steel cleaner, but this surprisingly worked really well. I get all of my cleaning products from Grove, and I always have that link down below if you want to get something free with your first order. Moving into the bathroom, I wanted to do a really deep clean of this space. We have all been super sick this last week, so I wanted to make sure and just wipe everything down really well. I bought this Dyson vacuum a couple months ago, and I really started to have buyer's remorse, but I'm telling you, it is the best purchase that I've ever made. It makes sweeping the floors so easy, plus the vacuum lines are pretty cool. I made cabbage rolls for the first time tonight, so stay tuned for that what's for dinner video. And then I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek of the Christmas decor to come. I hope this video gave you the motivation you needed to get up and get some cleaning done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.